What's up, guys? So on this fine day, I said I want to go on and give these people the motivational ABCs of being a travel agent. So I'm not going to spend too much time on this, but I feel like this may touch somebody today. So let's just jump into it. So A, okay, you guys need to have the nerve to be audacious, okay? Have the audacity to step out there and do whatever it is that you want to do in the travel industry. Okay, so let's talk about it. The Wright brothers, listen, they had the nerve to think that they can fly airplanes or get the first airplane up there and going. People laughed at them, you guys. Now look at this. We making checks off vacations, okay? Let's talk about it. Inventor of the telephone, Alexander Graham Bell. Listen, this man had nerve to think that one day, we'll be able to pick up the phone and, not have the regular phone that, we'll be able to, call people through wires, through, whatever it is. He had the nerve to believe that, but guess what? We on the phone all the time, okay? So in your travel business, have the audacity to believe that you can do whatever it is that you have set out to do in your travel business. Listen, I've told you guys, I'll tell you guys again, listen, everybody is not going to support you and your travel brand. Keep going, okay? Keep going. So that's A. Be audacious, come on, like this, you have to be your biggest fan, okay? Be your biggest fan, okay? So that's letter A. Letter B, listen, be bold. Be bold and be about your travel business, okay? Listen, ain't nobody gonna do this for you, okay? Nobody's gonna run your travel business for you. You need to be the person that's showing up every single day for your travel business. You need to be believing in your travel business more than anybody else is believing in your travel business, because guess what? This is your travel business. So be bold in whatever it is that you want to do with your travel business. You want to be a travel agent and you your brand is new. Hey, listen, what travel agent out there is doing that? Let's see. You want to be a travel agent and your brand is, let's say it's, the marijuana market. There's several places where it's not illegal. Listen, be about your travel business, be bold about it. Let's see, I don't know, just be bold, be brave, be about your travel business. And let's talk about it a little bit more. Being about your travel business, are you showing up every single day for your travel business? Let's talk about it. Do you really think that people are going to come book travel if you're not even showing up for your travel business? Are you posting? Are you, if you're not social media savvy or you don't care to be on social media, that's fine. That's okay. But are you telling people about your travel business? Are you marketing? Are you, word of mouth? What are you doing for your travel business? Look at some of the biggest brands out there. Listen, I promise you, they are telling people about their business. And, people say, well, I don't have the money. It's okay. Listen, make flyers, put them at the library. Make flyers, put them at the library. Sign up for these free industry events. It's so many different things that you could do in your travel business. So no excuses. No, we get the same 24 hours as all of these multi mega millionaire billionaires. No excuses. You just have to stop making excuses for yourself. And so, if you are showing up for your travel business, you know what that feels like. Maybe you're getting up a little bit earlier before, everybody in the household is getting up, with all of their shenanigans. You got to do what you got to do, but you need to be showing up every single day for your travel business and being bold about it. Okay. So let's say, you're having one of those days where you just don't feel like doing it. It's okay. Go to your travel agent Facebook group, Facebook page, and just share something from there. If you guys are, set up with Branch of how you're supposed to be set up, you should be receiving content daily to your travel agent Facebook page. Okay. So it's days where, you won't feel like doing it, and it's okay. It's 100% okay, but don't make that your standard. Okay. So You have to hold yourself to a higher standard. So be bold, be brave, be confident. Like, nobody's going to run your travel business for you. It's agents out there that's like real deal doing it. Like, you know, new agents that are coming into the industry, and now they're the top, you know, top people in the region for selling a specific product. So be bold about your product. Put your travel business out there. Listen, y'all already know my saying, you know, if you want to be a secret travel agent, listen, you're gonna make some secret travel money, okay? And which is no money. Don't nobody want no secret travel money. So be bold, be about your travel business, okay? Put your travel business out there. If you need to spend an extra few hours on some learning modules, if you need to spend some extra time on the phone with me, listen, y'all already know. Pick up the phone, call me, text me. You guys already know. But be bold and be about your travel business, because guess what? Nobody's gonna do it for you. Do things different. You know, I had an agent, she called and she said, hey, Tyra, I want access to this supplier. Listen, I've never heard of that supplier in my life. And I'm like, you know, that's fine. She wants access. I'm gonna give her access. You know, we went through training. I logged into my account the other day. I saw a check. I saw a huge direct deposit. I'm like, what? I had to pick up the phone. I'm like, wait a minute. What'd you book? All she booked was travel insurance, you guys. $715 travel commission check. Okay. So she know who she is. Listen, congratulations. I'm super proud of you. You're out there being bold. You're being different. She's using products that, listen, ain't nobody ever heard of, but guess what? They're running her $715. Okay. For a travel product. Okay. So be about your travel business. No excuses. Like, people like, I'm busy. I don't have time. Listen, you don't got time not to have time. Think about that. Like I said, all of the billionaires, millionaires, every single person in this world has the same 24 hours. The same 24 hours. I got the same 24 hours. Everybody has the same 24 hours. So, you know, if you know that you're that person, you're out there making excuses for, why you can't do this and why you can't do that. Listen, you need to go ahead and go into a season of no excuses accepted. If you need to read, listen, 12-week year, go ahead and read the 12-week year book, and maybe that'll light a fire up under your butt. But listen, if you need an accountability partner, in our travel agent only Facebook groups, say, I need an accountability partner. I'm looking for this, this, and this. And, I'm pretty sure people will raise their hand and sign up to be your accountability partner. If you guys want me to be your accountability partner, listen, I'm not an easy accountability partner, because I don't want to hear it. Like, we say we're going to do this, like, let's do it. Let's do it. You may have to get up a little bit earlier. You may have to do, certain things, but if you want to do it, listen, let's do it. But that's B, letter B. Be bold about your travel business. Nobody's going to put your brand out there just because your Facebook page is constantly, posting stuff automatically. No. Outside of that, what are you doing for your travel business? Be bold, be about your travel business. Do something different. What they said, the definition of insanity is, doing the same exact thing in the same exact way and expecting something to come out different. No, if you've been posting one time per month and it ain't working, listen, that ain't working. Like, of course that's not going to work. Switch it up, fun. Go ahead and switch it up. So be bold, be about your travel business. That's all I got to say. So if y'all need more motivation on being about your travel business, y'all got my phone number. Y'all have my number. Call me or text me, but be bold and be about your travel business. Okay. And so letter C is be courageous. Okay. In this industry, in any industry where it's kind of, you're selling some type of product, you're going to get some no's. You're going to get some resistance. Like, come on, like, listen, don't cry over those no's. Listen, if you're getting a lot of no's, or, you're posting things and nobody is, responding to it, keep posting. Maybe you don't know your client how you think you know your clients. And so this is where polls are going to come in place. Get you a Facebook group. Get all of those people that you think are your clients, get them in that group. Okay. And while you got them in that group, go ahead and make one of the membership questions, something about an email. Hey, where should we send some of the best travel deals to? What email, make them something, which email should we send your travel deals to? They will give you your email. And then later you can start your email marketing campaign, but get them in that group. Start a Facebook poll. Listen, I thought I had rich moms. Like, for real. I thought my moms were, wanting to spend, like on a regular trip. I thought, they were okay spending, $1,500 per person. But guess what? I did a poll. I sure found out my moms wanted to spend $500 to $750 per person on a regular family trip. So I'm like, okay. And then they were comfortable spending the $950 to, $2,200 per person for my personalized group trips. So get your people in a Facebook group and ask them people all of these questions. And, as a matter of fact, I believe you can do polls on your Facebook business page as well. Do polls. You think you know your people, but I promise you, you won't know them as well as you think you know. Okay. So listen, be bold, be courageous. Okay. So have the courage to keep going, even though people are not, liking your posts, even though, your friends and family are not supporting your brand. Guess what? I've told y'all already. I'll tell you again. Listen, strangers are going to be your best friends. They're going to be your best friends, and they're going to be the reason that you're going to be, hitting all of these high sales goals when you get there. Okay. So listen, I promise strangers are going to be your best friends. It's not going to be your friends and your family. Okay. So be courageous, have the nerve to be able to take the no's. And, if you're getting a lot of no's, you're getting a lot of clients that are wasting your time. Listen, Linda, listen. You might be doing something wrong, okay? You might be doing just something wrong. You need to start qualifying these clients. If you're not qualifying your clients, what you doing? Like, you are not a booking engine. You are not a order taker. Don't just send out your travel booking inquiry link and just put it whatever they want together. Absolutely not. Jump on the phone and qualify that client. Ask that client, hey, Mr. Jones, okay, I got every single thing that you need. Go ahead and do a whole day-by-day itinerary with them on the phone. Make sure that, they have everything, in order. Day 1, what you want to do. Day 2, what do you want to do? Day 3, yada, yada, yada. And then at the very end, make sure you're asking that client in whichever way that you want. And it's a tough question. Hey, Ms. Jones, if I find every single thing that you need, hey, when will you guys be deposit ready? And the supplier deposits are generally $200 to, $300 and something dollars per person. When will you be deposit ready? If your client isn't ready until next week or next month or 2 months, why are you wasting your time looking up the trip? They're not ready. That trip price is gonna change. And so guess what? Now you're gonna have to take the time to go back and look it up all over again. So stop letting clients waste your time. Qualify those clients. Listen, all clients do not qualify to be your client. If you have a client and they're like rah before you even book them, they you don't like their attitude, or you don't like their personality. Listen, that may not be the client for you. Okay, plain and simple. It's okay. Listen, everybody not my client, and I'm okay with that. Listen, you need to learn how to turn down clients and say, say whatever you got to say, but say it nicely, be professional. But all clients are not your clients. Okay. So be courageous. You shouldn't be courageous. Come on, you have the courage. Okay. So, Thomas Edison, this man had all of these inventions. What was it, 1,000? He tried the light bulb 1,000 times and nothing happened. Listen, the 1,001 was the light bulb, you guys. The light bulb, like, we out here shining, like, with light everywhere, because somebody decided to be courageous and just to keep going. He believed in whatever it was, and he just kept going. Guess what? J.K. Rowling, author of Harry Potter, she got turned down 12 plus times from different publishers. Now look at her. This lady came from the projects. Okay. Now look at her. So this lady had the nerve to be courageous and believe in whatever it is that she wanted to believe in about her brand and about her books. Now look at her. Okay. So that is pretty much all I have to say, you guys. So letter A, have the audacity to believe in your brand. Whatever it is about your brand, be audacious about it and have the audacity to actually believe in it and do whatever it is that you need to do. Letter B, be about your travel business as a travel agent. You need to be showing up every day for your travel business, whether it's going to be, whether it means getting up early, doing whatever it is, posting more, if it ain't working, it's not working, but, learn how to pivot. You know, if you see something that's not working, go ahead and try to do something different. See what's working and then continue to do what's working. But, you know, be bold, be brave, be about your travel business. And then so letter C, be courageous. Listen, have the courage to take the no's, have the courage to continue to do something and nobody is liking your post. Nobody is doing this. Listen, it's all about brand recognition. Okay. When somebody's ready to spend 5, 10, 15, 20, $30,000 and they go look through your social media or they look at your website and you're not doing anything with it, would you spend 5, 10, 15, $20,000 on a person that's not even showing up and being courageous for their business? You probably wouldn't. Okay. So those are my ABCs and my motivation about being a travel agent. Listen, you guys can do it. If you guys are, you know, one of my travel agents and you don't know where to start at, you know, you're confused again, it's okay. Let's start back from the beginning. You have your pre-orientation checklist. Let's go ahead and start with that pre-orientation checklist. Do everything that's on the pre-orientation checklist, set up a one-on-one orientation with me so that I can go ahead and get you all checked off from that. If you have did your pre-orientation checklist and you are finished with orientation and you may be still confused, listen, I'm not a mind reader. I'm not a mind reader. You have to call me or text me and let me know that you need help in a certain area. Listen, I promise you there's no such thing as a stupid question. I'm here. Listen, I be up all times of the day. I answer calls coming in at any time. Listen, when you're up, you're up. You know, call me, text me whenever it is that you know that you're up. And if I'm up, I'll answer. If I'm not up, I'll see the text message. And so if I don't answer your phone call, shoot me a text message so I can, you know, respond as soon as possible about that. So listen, you are responsible for your travel business. Okay. If you need help, I am here to help you. Okay. I'm here to help you. Plain and simple. I'm here to help you. So, you know, that's pretty much, you know, all I have to say. Listen, those are my motivational ABCs about being a travel agent. And, you know, listen, if you guys need me, I'm here for you. I am here for you. Okay. So I will talk to you guys soon. And so if you guys are over there in YouTube land and you are watching this video, listen, I see you watching these videos. If you guys are on Facebook and you are watching my videos, listen, I see you watching these videos. And thank you so much for watching our videos. If you're currently a travel agent and you are enjoying our videos, listen, hit the like button, whether you're on Facebook or on YouTube, hit the like button, go ahead and subscribe. And so if you are looking for a new host agency home, listen, we got you. If you cannot ask your host agency questions that you feel are stupid questions, listen, we got you. We got you. Go ahead and set up an info session or go ahead and pick up the phone and call me, text me anytime. Number is 813-461-3592. I would definitely prefer a text message and, you know, we could chat through text message and then, you know, eventually, you know, get to a phone call because if you call and I don't answer, it's probably because I'm in a meeting like this. So call me, text me anytime. Like I said, I prefer a text message. If you email me, you know, I still prefer, you know, I'll get to you, but a text message is the fastest way to reach me. But yeah, if you, those are my ABCs of being a travel agent. Like, listen. You can do it. Okay. So if you guys need any additional help, hey, just reach out to me and I'll help you the best way that I can. Until then, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.